Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel with another tutorial that how can we make an amazing title slides. So see that. Is not it amazing? So stop making boring slides, make your slides like that in just 2 minutes. First of all, go to the insert, new slide and take a blank slide. Then hereby go to insert shapes and here is a shape having a name rectangle rounded corner. Make this rectangle rounded corner and Control plus C and Control plus V and duplicate it 5 to 6 times. After that, put your slide like that and rotate your slide and make a design like this which I already created so that time will consume in less minutes. So you make your shape set like that. Set all the shapes in that manner. Then what to do next? Just select these shapes together. This, and this together. And there is an option shape format. Go to the shape format and click on the merge shape as I already merged this shape. So what to do next? Just right click, click on the format shape and there is the option no fill, solid fill and gradient fill. I hereby go with the picture or texture fill. I already go on the Google Chrome and here I search some images and I copy paste this. In for example, if I copy that image, okay, just copy paste according to your presentation requirement and hereby picture or texture fill and you will have to go with the clipboard. So the picture is pasted on that. So what to do next? Select your another two pictures, click on no line, okay, and after that no line and increase its transparency so that it will hide like that. Similarly, select that no line, increase its transparency line. Now click on the picture background, format background. There is a picture or texture fill. So no, go with the solid fill with the color. For example, I hereby choose this color at the background. You can choose anyone. Select all these pictures and here is also go with no outline, mean no line because we don't want any line behind it. Okay. Now insert text box and give your heading that I already give it most beautiful places of the Pakistan. So set your slide like that and see the magic again. And the last but not least, select this image, go to the animation and select fly in. Okay, and hereby increase its duration with 1.25 seconds so that it comes slowly and again select your text most beautiful places of Pakistan and select the animation zoom here so that it will zoom when you play the slide. Your final slide will look like that. For more amazing tutorial and new tips, stay tuned with my channel and also visit my channel. You can find a lot of amazing tutorial on PowerPoint presentation that I have already uploaded and link is also given in the description. Thanks for watching.